Oh, what's good, YouTube? Gary here. This is 5 Daily Breaks. Today's video, what we gonna be doing? Is this a haul video? Kinda. Is this a G.I. Joe video? Not necessarily. There's no Joes. But this is Joe adjacent. Let's get to it. Alright, first off, we are just going to build a forklift real quick. And this is by Stevethesquid on Rebrickable. So let's get to that. Alright, I don't even remember where I left off or what I was talking about, because this is now a week later. I had misplaced like a bunch of parts. I mean, this is a small build, and I didn't have half the parts that I needed, so I waited for brickling orders, and then when they arrived, I found the bag of parts that I needed. So I got like duplicate stuff, so I guess I'll eventually make another forklift. But starting off,
what'd you say?
this looks to be a pretty good size.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, this is the finished product. I think this is a very good looking model. Now, I did have all these extra pieces. I guess at one point I had planned on doing 2 of these and forgot. I don't know. Also, the instructions don't tell you how to put the pallet together. I'll take this apart real quick so you can see, because it's not too intricate. Alright, so you essentially have these 3 1x6 plates, and then you just put these jumper plates on top, and then these will be like your slats. That's pretty cool. I'm thinking about using wood grain 1x6 tiles. Brickafit or brickafig.com. They sell printed wood grain plates, and I'm pretty sure I have at least 4 somewhere. I don't know where they are though. It was like a year or so ago that I bought them. Anyway, so to complete what the look that I'm going for here, this package is from Brickmania. We are going to open this up real quick. Alright, so green was actually the last color that I did not have. I thought I had all of them, but I don't have a green guy, so I finally have one of him. And I have quite a few blue, but I needed another one. So this guy will be my forklift driver. Let's open him up and put him in. I'll grab some of these printed crates that Brickmania hasn't stocked in a while. I'm kind of bummed. I could have sworn I had more than these though. Anyway, let me know what you think. Quick little video, quick little build. But I thought this would look pretty good on a flight of the USS Flag. On the flight deck of the USS Flag, I should say. Stay tuned for more. Holla us in the next video. Peace.